Dogecoin, brought into the world from a web image, has developed into a genuine computerized cash with an energetic local area, moved by its script calculation for openness and an extraordinary inflationary model. With a culture of charity, microtransaction capacities, and a notorious image persona, Dogecoin stands apart as an easy-to-use and socially critical digital currency. In the event that you're searching for Dogecoin cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Dogecoin Doge will go from here on out, we will dissect the previous costs of Dogecoin Doge and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Dogecoin outline. Dogecoin is a digital money that began as a happy joke in view of the well-known Doge web image highlighting a Shiba Inu canine. Nonetheless, what started as a hilarious idea before long picked up speed, and Doge turned into a real computerized money with a functioning and excited local area. Sent off in 2013, Dogecoin works on a decentralized and open-source blockchain, similar as Bitcoin. Special elements. Local area charity. Doge's people group has a remarkable history of magnanimity. From supporting NASCAR drivers to supporting worthy missions, the Doge people group has reliably shown a promise to offering in return and having a beneficial outcome. Flexibility for regular use. With its low exchange expenses and fast affirmation times, Doge is appropriate for ordinary exchanges, tipping, and microtransactions. This makes it an appealing choice for clients searching for a common sense and easy-to-understand digital currency. Social symbol. Doge's relationship with web culture and the Doge image has changed it into a social symbol. This novel marking plays had a critical impact in separating Doge from other cryptographic forms of money. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is $1.2248 and Doge is right now positioned #8 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Dogecoin is 144, 110, 556, 384 with a market cap of $79.90, 38, 280. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 879% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Dogecoin is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Doge is down to nearly 22.73% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Analyze the market capitalization of Dogecoin and other top cryptographic forms of money with our instinctive device. Perceive how the all-out worth of every digital money is coursing supply piles facing others, and gain bits of knowledge into the market elements. Select 2 digital forms of money to think about their market cap and envision the outcomes. We anticipate future Dogecoin cost expectations. Doge figure by applying profound man-made reasoning helps specialized investigation on the past value information of Dogecoin. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Dogecoin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Dogecoin market cap, Dogecoin volume, and not many more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Dogecoin value forecast rundown. Dogecoin Doge is estimated to arrive at a typical cost of $2769 toward the finish of 2025. There is potential for Dogecoin cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $19 toward the finish of 2030. Dogecoin Doge is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $119.9 constantly 2040. With the ongoing cost of $0.12848, Dogecoin holds its ground on the lookout. Our Dogecoin long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes Doge possibly running somewhere in the range of $146.58 and $165.49. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2024 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least a degree of $1.18 and 33. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $28.91 with the typical exchanging cost of $95. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2025 the cost of Dogecoin is gauged to be at around a base worth of between $692. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of $242 with the typical exchanging worth of $769 in USD. Doge value conjecture for 2026. Dogecoin cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $404 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $46.79 with the typical estimate cost of $41.42. Dogecoin Doge Value Expectation 2027. The cost of one Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.5811 in 2027. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.7008 with the typical cost of $0.6018 all through 2027. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Dogecoin cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $25.88 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $102 with the typical conjecture cost of $188 in 29. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.26 in 2029. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.50 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.30 all through 2029. Dogecoin Doge Value Expectation 2030. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2030 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.79. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.19 with the typical worth of $0.85. Dogecoin Value Estimate 2031. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2.49. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $3.09 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.58. Dogecoin Doge Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least degree of $3.54 in 2032. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $4.34 with the typical cost of $3.64 all through 2032. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2033. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $4.96 in 2033. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $6.01 with the typical exchanging cost of $5.14 all through 2033. Dogecoin Value Estimate 2040. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly essential contemplations.